Hey, it's once again me, and today it has been exactly 2 months. I experimented with networking and Everplant because I want to make a multiplayer. We have many news regarding the modding in the game, and we have a brand new inventory system. We do have a brand new crafting system, collections, but everything right in this video. So the first thing I did, introduce a ranking system, just like on Reddit. We have this upvote and downvote thing, and we can disable mod. The higher mod, the more prioritized it will be in the game. We have this gear, and this will open custom settings for each world. And another thing are the animals. I showcased some kind of things from it in the last video, in the last Devlog, but I advanced that stuff quite much. Despawning, spawning, and all stuff like that got introduced, and yeah, you see it on these pictures. We had quite a population problem in the game. It's fixed. Yeah, this is quite interesting as well. See, at the moment, every block in Everplant, or like 2 months ago, was stored in a tile map. So for those of you who don't know Godot, a tile map is the thing where all the blocks are stored in. And now I introduce scene blocks because they allow me more customization, but I don't know yet which influence it will have on a larger scale for the performance. The anvil, by the way, you will be able to use it to craft things, to create things. Yeah, it will feature a custom menu for that stuff. So the next thing is the XP bar. This is quite interesting though. At the moment we have the health bar, but the experience points, yeah, you can collect them by killing animals the first time, by unlocking new recipes. Yeah, you will have to unlock recipes in order to craft things out of it. And in my opinion, we're now coming to the most interesting point, the massive multiplayer update. You see this user interface. It took me quite a long time, but the main thing is that you have a server name and an IP address, and using peer-to-peer and a peer-to-peer hosted server, so in the back end it's creating an eNet server, and you will be able to connect directly from your computer to the other. It's hosted server system, not peer-to-peer. So one player is the server. That's quite interesting as well. And it's not completed yet, don't get me wrong. You're not able to have a multiplayer in the game yet, but I'm still working on that. It takes some time, but it will be great when it comes out, I promise. Yeah, and then I upload this clip on Reddit. Yeah, we'll play this just one more time because it sums the progress of the multiplayer pretty much up at the moment. But the problem right now is synchronizing some variables, and there are many tons of bugs, so I'm still working on that. So we have a menu bar of quick actions, that's how I call them. And yeah, for one example is the Pro Builder. It will allow you to snap these blocks, and not just to this exact grid, but also in between. So this is how I started up with the inventory. It will not be blue, it will be like this brown orange-ish color, and it will make everything possible. We have also clothes, and I'm thinking about redesigning Norman to look like a human, but so this player. Please let me know in the comments if you like that idea or not. Everplant got released, so check Everplant out on Steam. The link is also down below in the description. You can wishlist it right now. I'm working so much on this game, so I really appreciate everyone who supports me just by setting this game on their wishlists, right? So thank you in advance. Yeah, the next thing is this icon that appears when you hover with the mouse over the world. It will give you a quick preview. It will turn red if it's out of range, and it makes things quite easy though. This is the last thing I shared, so let's take a look. I'm planning a design user interface for my game, and here is an interface which showcases the book with recipes for crafting menu. Is inside. You have completion for which recipes you also unlock. We have the block which is using this, so you can open this crafting menu via different kind of blocks, for example the anvil, but also crafting benches, in oven, and so on, and you can upgrade them by the level. The higher level, more recipes available. recipes will be here, and they have tags like different tags, and we have a custom how you call it, I don't know, a property panel. So if you click on this recipe like this one will show up with special information for that, and we have also rate a percentage which tells you that this might fail. So if, for example, in this case we have a 2% percentage that this crafting fails. And we need these 3 items. It's just garbage at the moment, just to showcase, so to say, like, I know. What do you think? Tell me. Thank you. So you will collect experience points, as I featured before, and using them you can unlock new recipes to this book. So then you can have a book with some recipes, a recipe book, like, it's that simple. And you can take this book and drop it to the anvil, and then all the anvil related recipes that are unlocked in that book will appear there. It's that simple. It sounds a bit more complicated than it is, but I think it's very easy to understand when you play it actually. I like this Animal Crossing mix with this Pokemon collecting thing. Yeah, people just like collecting things, and you see that progress bar on the top. This will motivate you to continue playing, and it makes some fun. I also launched this website, www.takelime.de, so you can also consider taking a look to that. And there are many things I'm working on right now. For example, to produce electricity, so you need a solar panel, for example, and connect that to something else. And there are some, like in the game Victorio, perhaps you know it, some things and aspects of that game coming also to Everplant. And I think the mixture fits quite good, so I hope you agree with that. Let me know in the comments if you like that idea to introduce electricity to the game. I don't want it to become too complex though, but yeah, we will see what the borders are. Thank you for watching to the end. Yeah, please consider subscribing to this channel. The journey just started, and I'm really looking forward to this year. Stay healthy.